All right. This video has been coming for a while, and I'm actually glad I waited. And I'm going to make another video more in depth. But I wanted to talk about the Big Bang Theory. And like I said, I'll make a better video either today or tomorrow about exactly what I'm talking about here. But, you know, all these headlines with this atom smasher, this CERN laboratory, right, on the French-Swiss border, and there's all this fuss about it. I watched a video last night with all these scientists and various staffers celebrating the first actual images from these photons being smashed together, these super high speeds. And, you know, that's an accomplishment. Don't get me wrong. There's a lot of money invested in this. And, you know, it's definitely been, I believe they've been working on that particular facility for about a decade now. They spent over 10 billion euros, which is about 15 billion US dollars, depending on the trading day. So obviously there's a lot of money involved and different interests. And so it's an accomplishment, right? I'm not trying to denigrate or take away from that. But I think that people don't really understand this concept, or the idea of the Big Bang is just a theory. And what I'm trying to explain is that there actually is no evidence whatsoever to support the Big Bang Theory as it stands. And there are other theories out there, right? There's the Little Bang theory. There's the static universe theory. There's the plasma universe theory, or electrical universe theory. So there are different theories other than the Big Bang. And I first found out about the fact that the Big Bang has absolutely no corroborating evidence whatsoever. I think it was about 2002. And the reality is that there is none. And what there is to supplant the idea behind the Big Bang Theory, which was only brought forth after the death of Carl Sagan into the mainstream scientific orthodoxy, is observation and the extrapolation of what these observations mean, not actual evidence, right? And it's just another testimonial to the ignorance and arrogance simultaneously, the duality of man, of the human mind, to think that we could possibly understand, right, the beginning of everything when we haven't even mapped the ocean floors. We're not even certain exactly how the sun works. We don't know exactly the ingredients that make up the actual Earth itself, right? There are theories about it. And it's just an unbelievable thing to watch when you got all these highly intelligent, right, respected scientists sitting on various TV shows, science shows, talking about string theory, talking about dark energy and dark matter, when there is absolutely no evidence whatsoever that any of these things actually exist. They are theories based on observation, built on other theories. And all of the three things I just described, string theory, right, dark matter, and dark energy, are all based on the idea that the Big Bang actually happened. But that in of itself, there is no evidence for at all. And like I said, I'll break that down because I believe in exposing all lies, right? And the Big Bang Theory, by implication, would be the biggest lie of all. Okay, and I'm not trying to attack people's religious beliefs, because I respect them. I'm talking about from a strictly scientific point of view. And so my prediction is that in the future, all right, scientists will look back on the idea of the Big Bang Theory and laugh their asses off. Because all it is creationism tucked in to science. And I'm not, like I said, I'm not knocking religion. But when you really look into it, there is no proof, No evidence whatsoever that the Big Bang ever actually happened. And string theory, which can't be proven, right? You bring a theory that can't be proven for 20 years. How convenient. You can sell a lot of books in the meantime, right? String theory, dark energy, dark matter, accelerating universe. They'll all go down in flames. They'll all be disproven eventually. And I'm looking forward to that if I'm still around. But anyway, I'll put another video out and break that down into more discernible points. But it's just unbelievable how arrogant humans are, right? Like this whole thing, the human mind is the most complex system in the universe. Well, how the fuck could you possibly know that? What about the universe itself? Don't you think that's a little more complex than a fucking 3-pound pile of gelatinous tissue? It's just unbelievable to watch. So anyway, the Big Bang never happened. And if it did, there's absolutely no evidence for it. So